Alright guys, there's baby birds in this tree here, and I'm not quite sure, but I think the mama was just there feeding them or something. Could have sworn. See, look at them. I'll get you a closer look here, 1 second. See, look at him, look at him. If you guys want updated on these fellows, leave a comment in the comment section. I will keep you updated. And even if you don't want it updated, keep you updated anyway. I think that baby bird's hungry. I'm only going to make this about a minute. So, I'm going to make it more than a minute. So, my friend Jaden and Lexi, they came over. I was going to show them. The Dalton's going to jump over this exact branch. That one. Down there. Put down here. Like that. That's about it. Peace. Goodbye.